Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. If you didn't watch part 1, you'll be a little bit confused. We're going to take this now and, well, I've changed my nudge factor. Let me try to get it back where it was. There we go. It's always handy to keep your nudge factor in your head. We're going to make this a little better. We're going to, well, maybe not, but just a different look. I've got to ungroup it because those two things are one item. And then I'm going to get the shape tool. You see my nodes. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm going to go, I've already tested this, so it's 0.12. I'm going to get all the rounded or the ends and do a rounded corner on the outside and even on some of the inside, like that one right there, an outside curve. It's doing them all the same. And then we're going to go there and then one more. I think that's going to be it. So it's just a total different look. And we could, let me just try it. Yep, I think that might look cool. I think it will. So I'm just grabbing that node and I wonder if we could do these two at the same time. Yep. Okay. Now I'm actually going to just move this out of the way. And I'm going to go in and just make a new object with the Smart Fill tool, which doesn't really matter. See how it looks different already? Now I'm going to group these together, Control G. And I'm going to use the, it's so easy to duplicate it. I think I haven't made a duplicate yet. Control D, alternate C, and I think we rotated it 12 degrees. Look at that. Not that big a deal, but just give you an idea of how to use the rounded corners. And let's take the Alt key and swipe through there and get both those lines. Hit delete. See, I deleted everything. So just a little bit of extra work. Let's group this together. Make it all yellow. And let's put it side by side to the other one. Not that big a deal, but maybe you learn how to round some corners off. And it is a completely different look. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.